Okay guys, naglapag na ulit si SM Ticketmaster ng update, BTS sale reminder, Army membership pre-sale tomorrow na po yan, 11 a.m. PH time. Pero pwede ka na mag-abang doon sa Ticketmaster ng mga 10:30. And then Live Nation pre-sale, ayan siya, 11 a.m. din. General on sale, 11 a.m. Again, this is PH time po ha. Sabi dito, up to 2 tickets per order per account with a maximum of 6 tickets per date and tickets cannot be purchased for multiple shows in the same order. Ito, ang dami pa rin nagtatanong nito. Saan po ba pipila ate? Sa SM Ticketmaster website na po. Fans do not need to access the sale via the Weavers website. Simply navigate to the BTS event page on ticketmaster.ph. Kung sabi dito, kapag bibili na po kayo, yung Army membership number starting with BA plus 9 digits, yun po yung kailangan nyo para ma-access po or ma-unlock yung tickets. And again, yung Army membership details, hindi na daw kailangan i-match sa SM Ticketmaster account details. And ito pa ho, Armies, if ever na hindi kayo nakapag-apply ng membership presale, wag na po kayong pipila bukas. Kasi syempre, ang hirap naman nun, ang dami, ang haba nung pila, tapos hindi ka pala talaga bibili, nakiki-join ka lang doon. So, pwede ka naman maki-join sa presale ng Live Nation and also sa General on Sale. Okay, sa Live Nation presale naman, so again, kailangan pupunta ka sa livenation.ph na website, punta ka sa BTS event page para makita mo or ma-redirect ka sa ticketmaster.ph. General on sale, ito yung pinakamadali kasi pupunta ka na lang din agad sa ticketmaster.ph. Pwede ka nang pumunta sa waiting room ng mga 10:30 a.m. kasi 11 a.m. yung start ng ticket selling. Be prepared. Sign in daw sa SM Ticketmaster account. Confirm yung info kung updated siya. Verification code to enter the waiting room. Magkakaroon pala niyan. So again, sign in na and then 30 minutes before, pwede ka na mag-join. Use only one browser or tab per date. So halimbawa, for day 1, isang tab. For day 2, isang tab din. So during the sale, don't refresh the page. Pwede ka daw ma-kick out or ma-flag. Ticket availability changes as fans complete their purchases. So, nag-update naman pala yung seat map automatically. You'll be able to select your desired section and the best available tickets at that time will be allocated to you. Payment methods, debit cards, credit cards, e-wallets like GrabPay, Maya, and GCash. So, ito, update. The payment